Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Chrome profiles. Now, a Google Chrome profile is useful because it's going to be saving your settings, your extensions, and all of your bookmarks into a Google profile of your choosing. Now, why might this be useful? Let's say, for example, that you have a dreaded computer failure and that you want to be able to get back up and running as quick as possible. If you save all your settings and extensions in a Google Chrome profile, then when you restore your computer, all of that you're gonna be able to sync that right back to your computer and just get going without having to try to track down all of those things again. Or let's say, for example, you are going to go to a friend's computer and you want to be able to find your bookmarks or your extensions with these. You can sync your profile to your friend's computer. And one other good example, which we're going to talk about, is let's say you have a multi-person household and your husband has a profile and then your kid has a profile and you want to have a profile. You might all have different browsing preferences and you want to keep a little bit of separation in that as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get started and talk about how to do that. I have Google Chrome open right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this person icon right here, and then I'm going to click on Turn on Sync, and it's going to ask for my email. You'll need a Google email account. You can create a free email account with them at gmail.com in order to create one of these. All right, I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address, and then type in my password. And since I have two-factor authentication, I'm going to need to turn that on. All right, now it's going to ask me, do you want to turn on sync? And I want to click yes, I want to turn on sync. And then you're going to see in here in a minute, it's going to start loading up all of my preferences. So you can see there when my bookmarks bar, and then now it's adding all of the extensions onto my machine right now. We're going to give this a minute to finish loading up. Okay, great. Now my computer is back to normal as I like it. All right, so let's talk about if I wanted to add a second user to my Chrome account right here. Now you can see I have a picture instead of the person, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Add. I'll click on the Add button, and I need to type in the person. I'll type in Derek2 for right now. And then pick an icon, like the pizza one, and I'll click Add. And then it's going to give me this screen right here. And then you're going to go through the same process of adding your email address and entering your password. And then it's going to do the same thing where it's going to add all the profile of the bookmarks and the extensions back to your account. And then you're going to see it. Now you'll see, if I click on here, I see Derek2. Now, if I want to remove an account, I can click on this gear icon and these three dots and just press remove this person. Now, one other interesting feature about this is, say, for example, you want to browse on a computer and you don't want to leave any traces or browser history of your usage on that computer. You can go ahead and click on the icon. It's either going to be the person or your photo, and you click Guest. And you can see on Guest, it even tells you what it does. Pages you view in this window won't appear in the browser history, and they won't leave other traces like cookies or other things on there. Now, if you download any files, they will be preserved, so keep that in mind. All right, that is it for today's tech tip. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.